As a homeowner in Mandeville, you know how important it is to maintain the comfort and efficiency of your home throughout the year. From the humid summers to the occasional chilly winters, having an energy-efficient home is essential to keeping your utility bills in check while ensuring a comfortable living environment. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is through window replacement. Your windows are one of the primary areas where energy can escape, especially if they are old, drafty, or made from less efficient materials. By replacing your windows with modern, energy-efficient options, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption and enhance the comfort of your home. Here's how Mandeville Window Replacement can boost your home's energy efficiency and save you money in the long run. Better insulation with energy-efficient windows. Older windows often fail to provide adequate insulation, allowing air to leak in and out of your home. This can cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. New energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple glazing, are designed to provide superior insulation. Double-glazed windows consist of two panes of glass with a layer of air or gas, such as argon, between them, which acts as an insulating barrier. This helps reduce the transfer of heat, keeping the warm air inside during the winter and the cool air inside during the summer. Triple-glazed windows offer an even higher level of insulation with 3 panes of glass and 2 layers of insulating gas, providing superior energy efficiency for homes in climates with significant temperature fluctuations. By replacing your windows with insulated glass options, you'll create a more energy-efficient home that stays comfortable year-round, without overworking your heating and cooling systems. Reduced drafts and air leaks. If you have older windows with damaged or worn-out seals, chances are you're experiencing drafts and air leaks. These small gaps allow hot or cold air to enter your home, making it difficult to maintain a consistent temperature. Over time, this leads to increased energy usage as your HVAC system works overtime to compensate for the lost air. Window replacement in Mandeville ensures that your new windows are properly sealed and free from gaps. Modern windows are equipped with weather stripping and high-performance seals that prevent air from leaking through. This means you'll enjoy a more comfortable indoor environment, with less reliance on your heating and cooling systems. No more cold drafts in the winter or warm spots in the summer. Improved UV protection. Another important factor in energy efficiency is protecting your home's interior from the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays. UV rays can penetrate traditional windows and cause fading of furniture, carpets, and other belongings. In addition to this, UV rays contribute to the heat buildup inside your home, making your air conditioning work harder to keep the temperature comfortable. Many energy-efficient windows come with a low emissivity, coating, which is a special layer of material that reflects UV rays while still allowing visible light to enter. This helps reduce solar heat gain while protecting your furniture and floors from harmful UV damage. By installing low-E windows during your window replacement, you'll increase the overall comfort of your home while reducing the need for air conditioning, ultimately saving you money on energy bills. Better temperature regulation. Mandeville's climate can be unpredictable, with high humidity levels and temperature shifts that challenge your home's ability to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Windows that are improperly insulated or made of single-pane glass can contribute to significant heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This makes it harder to keep your home at a comfortable temperature, leading to fluctuating energy usage and higher utility costs. Energy-efficient windows in Mandeville provide better temperature regulation, allowing your home to stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter without requiring as much energy from your HVAC system. This improved insulation helps maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, making your home more comfortable while reducing energy consumption. Long-term savings on utility bills. While Mandeville window replacement might seem like a significant investment upfront, it pays off in the long run with lower energy costs. By replacing outdated, inefficient windows with high-performance, energy-efficient options, you'll experience substantial savings on your heating and cooling bills. According to studies, homeowners can save up to 30% on energy costs by upgrading their windows. Additionally, many states and local governments offer incentives or tax credits for homeowners who make energy-efficient upgrades, such as replacing windows. This can help offset the initial cost of window replacement, further enhancing the return on your investment. Environmental benefits. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient options also contributes to environmental sustainability. By using less energy to heat and cool your home, you reduce your overall carbon footprint and contribute to energy conservation efforts. Choosing energy-efficient windows is a simple yet effective way to lower your home's environmental impact while enjoying the comfort of a well-insulated, energy-efficient home. Increased home value. Upgrading your windows not only improves your home's energy efficiency, but it also increases its value. Potential buyers are attracted to homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and new windows are a key selling point. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, a window replacement will make your property more attractive to buyers, potentially leading to a quicker sale and a higher asking price. Conclusion. Window replacement in Mandeville offers numerous benefits, from enhanced energy efficiency and lower utility bills to improved comfort and home value. By replacing old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient options, you can reduce drafts, enhance insulation, protect your home from UV damage, and enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature throughout the year. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a professional window replacement company in Mandeville to explore the best options for your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy improved energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term savings for years to come.